Right, as promised, I showed you what Krabi was like during the day. Now it's the night time. I'm back here just outside where I'm staying in my hotel at Krabi Resort, and we are gonna have a look around at how this place comes alive in the night time. Even now, you can see a lot more lights. Have a look. Lots of bars, lots of people eating. All the massage places are opened up as well. What I'm gonna do, very carefully, I'm gonna ride along the road very slowly on the bike and take this video and show you how lively this place is. And then as I get to the really lively places, well, as I get to certain places, I'll stop and I'll get off and I'll show you around. As you can see, I've got my helmet on for obvious reasons. But have a look at this. You can see all the bars along that side, all opened up. Loads of people here tonight. The last of the New Year's Eve holidays, I suppose. Thailand is a really popular spot when it comes to coming away for Christmas and New Year. And it shows by the numbers and how many places you go to, how many tourists there are. We're just getting round to the first bend. And there's some really nice eating places here. A few more bars right there. So it's the usual stuff, bars, clubs, all that good stuff that you need while you're on holiday. So what do you think, baby? Krabi, Krabi, come on. I'm just going to stop off here, and you'll remember this place from my video earlier. Actually, I changed my mind. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to remember when we could see the mosque during the day at the top of the road. I'll go up there and work my way down. But have a look, this bit here leading up to that mosque is really, really lively. I was watching the football in there last night. Yeah, West Ham got beat 4-1 by Man City. Gordon Bennett. Lovely little place to eat there. Really posh looking hotel there. Looks really nice. Great setup. Now we're just coming up to where I got petrol earlier on today. And just at the top of that hill is the mosque. You can't see it in the night time, obviously. Those beautiful golden domes that we saw during the day doesn't show up in the night time. So here we are at one end of the strip, so I'm going to turn around, I'm going to park up where the bend is, and I'll get off and I'll do a little walkies and show you how it is around here on foot. So one of the spots I discovered the other day is this place I'm going to show you to. Here in Krabi, there isn't all those mad kind of bars like you get in Patong and in Bangkok and Koh Samui, but I did discover this place, which is a small version of it with all the go-go girls and all of that stuff. So I'll just show you in there, because there's a food place first, and then it turns into like a party place. So I'll just show you. Full of music. So if you did want to get your party on, come to the JM Sport Bar. All right, but I'm done with all the partying. I'm on a chilled one. I've still got Phuket and Bangkok left for a couple of nights before I fly out. But I am sober and I'm staying that way. Let's go check out another spot in Krabi that you might find interesting. I've stopped I would say in the middle of it all, and over this side we've got all the stops. But why I stopped here is to show you this, because on this side of the road it's the sea, and I just saw the moon as I was driving. You've got to have a look at this. Just wow, watch this. So this is the sea. This is the beach that you saw during the day, but just look at the moon. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if you can see it in the way that I'm seeing it because of the light in front of it. So there's some steps just over there. I'm going to go down those steps. These are the same steps that I got my boat from earlier on to Rayleigh Beach. But let me go there. Let me go to a darker little spot and show you what the moon looks like reflecting on the water. It's absolutely beautiful. Just going down these steps. Lots of people just here, just chilling out and just enjoying the beach, even in the night time, away from the madding crowd, as they say, as I keep saying as well. Right, let's have a look at this. Can you see that at all? I don't know how good the view is. Oh, we need to check out that place as well, which is called Reeve. That's a bamboo bar. It's really good. But have a look at this. Wow, wow, wow. How gorgeous is that? So as you can see, this is the same beach we were at earlier, and now it's night time. It's all quite quiet. But hey, look at that, it's a privilege. You've got to check out this bar, because this bar is probably the best looking bar, I would say, in Krabi. It's called the Bamboo Bar, I do believe. But check this place out, it's sick. Now, here in Krabi, the parties ain't that mad. It's just, you know, relaxed. But there are certain places with pumping music, and obviously people do party when they want to. But this place here is brilliant. It leads onto the back of a hostel, which is quite lively as well. But what do you think of this place? I love the way it's just all layered in bamboo. Everything, even the steps. Look at this. Wicked, right? Told you it's good. Let's walk around through it. And now we're coming up to the hostel, where all the young people are at. Proper partying. What a beautiful spot, eh? Look at that. All right, and then we get this man this way here. Come on! Want to have a party, if you just want to have a little boogie, I will say that little area there is brilliant in Krabi. All right, where's my bike? I'm going to show you another little bit of the strip, just so you can get a gist of what's happening. And this is near my hotel now, and I'm just walking towards my hotel. So you've got a live band playing here. Ipswich winning 2-1 over there. So as you can see, we've got like live bands, clubs. I really do like it. And now once we get to the bottom, more near my hotel, it gets a little bit more quieter. Got the chill out weed bars. I must admit, I love smokers because they're the most chilled out people that you can get. And honestly, nothing troubles them. I've realized that on this holiday, nothing troubles the smokers. They're just happy. Lots of massage places along here as well. And then you can go all the way down, which I've showed you already. And here is my hotel. I'm ending this video where I started, back at my hotel. What do you think of Krabi? Let me know in the comments. I've given it to you daytime and nighttime, just like I did in Bangkok. I'm back at my resort. This is a great place to stay. If you want to come and stay here, Krabi Resort. Lots of love, lots of affection. Take good care of yourself, take care of your mental health and your physical health, because really there's no such thing as physical and mental health, it's just health. Get that right, do a mental health first aid training course, really good stuff you'll learn on training courses like this, and take good care of yourself because you deserve it and the people who love you also deserve it, all right? Until the next one, peace, love, unity. Catch you soon.